Good morning to all of you. This is Muva Prasad signing into DCB Suryapeta live streaming online SSC classes. So now we are in the sixth chapter, progressions of first paper. So almost all we have Prem Kumar, Pani Kumar sir has introduced the basic concepts and how to find the nth term, and today most probably after completing that we will go through the sum of n terms in the question itself also. So Prem Kumar sir, Pani Kumar sir, please go through the concept.
Okay sir, thank you. Good morning to all of you again. Okay, in our last classes, we discussed that in the general form of AP, that is A plus B, A plus 2D, so on. The nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. And also, we discussed as sum of n term, Sn is equal n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This also we discussed in our last classes. Okay, we discussed this in our last class. Okay, based on this concept, now we are going to do some more problems in this class. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Find. The problem is find the first 40 divisibles, 40 multiples. The problem, find the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Divisible by 6, and this is nothing but these are all the multiples of 6. These are all the 6 multiples of 6. So find the first 40 positive integers. Okay, 40 positive 40 6 యొక్క multiples sum. Find the sum of first 40 positive multiples of 6. Okay, so the first multiple of 6 is 6 itself. The first multiple of 6 is 6 itself. So what are the multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, so on. These are all the multiples of 6. These all are the multiples of 6. Now what we have to find? We have to find the sum of 40 multiples. How many multiples we have to find the sum? Up to 40 multiples. So that means in this one, if you observe this one, A is equal to A1 is equal to 6 is given. Okay. A2, that what is that common difference? D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal 12 minus 6 or 18 minus 12, whatever it may be. This is 6. Okay. And we know the number of terms n is that is 40. N is which is that is 40. Now what we have to find? We have to find the total sum of these 40 multiples. Okay, so Sn is equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the principle for finding the sum of n terms in a given AP. Okay, what is the value of n? 40, because we have to find the multiples up to the sum of the multiples up to 40 multiples. So that is I am substituting n as the value of n as 40 by 2 into 2 into a. What is the first multiple we discussed already? That is the first multiple of 6 is 6 itself. Okay, to A plus n minus 1. Again, what is n? 40 minus 1 into D. What is the common difference? D is also 6. That is equal to 1 the 20 the 20 into 2 6 the 12 plus 39 into 6. 39 into 6. 54, 18 plus 5, 23. That is 234. That is equal to 20 into 245. That is 245 to the 490. Keep a 0. That is what we find the sum of how many multiples? First 40 multiples of 6 is how much we got? That is as 4,900. 4,900. What you substitute that is there is all the 6 multiples. That's why the first term will the first multiple of the 6 is 6 6 and again these are all the 6 multiples. So 6, 12, 18. This is the okay. Given A12 is equal to 37. A12 is given as 37 and also D is given as 3. D is given as 3. Find A and what you have to find? Find A and A10. Okay. A12 is equal to 37 and B is equal to 3. Find A and S12. Sorry. Find A and S12. Okay. What is given? It is A12 is given. So AN is equal A plus N minus 1 into D. This is a common term. Which term this is? 12th term. So A12 is equal A plus 12 minus 1 into D. Okay. But the value of D is with us. But D is equal 3. D is equal 3. Okay, substitute the value of D and also A12 with this, that is 37 is equal A plus 11 into D. What the value of D is? 3. Okay, so 37 is equal A plus 33. So A is equal 37 minus 33. So A is equal 4 we got. A is equal 4. What we have to find? The A. First of all, the first term A. Now we got the first term as 4. And what we have to find? We have to find S12. Sn is equal n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Sn is equal. So S12 is equal 12 by 2 into 2 into what the value of A? Now we find the value of A, that is as 4 plus the value of N is 12 minus 1 into D. What is the D value of D is? Already that is 3. So that is equal to 1 to 6 6 into 2 4 the 8 plus 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 3 is 33. That is 6 into what is the value? 33 plus 8, 41. So 6 1 are 6, 6 4 are 24. So S12 is equal to the given series. The answer is 246. What we find first of all, given A12 is given, B is given. Now what we have to find? We have to find A and S12. For finding the S12 value, first we find the value of A by substituting the nth term in the common form, that is the nth term. After getting the value of A, we substituted that in the form of sum of 8 terms. Okay, clear? If in an AP, seven times of seventh term is equal to 11 times of 11th term, what is its eighteenth term? Okay, what is the given problem? It is one of the questions that was asked in the previous question papers, and it was familiar one in the old textbook. If in an AP, 7 times of the 7th term is equal to 11 times of the 11th term, what is the 18th term? Okay, so the common principle an is equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now what is the term we had? 7 times of 7th term, so that is a7 is equal a plus 6d. A plus 6d. Okay, clear? 7th term, that is 7 minus 1, that is 6d. Okay, 7 times of 7th term is equal. I am multiplying the 7th term with 7. 7 into a plus 6d. That is equal to 7a plus 7 6 are 42b. Here 7 times of 7th term. That was asked what is the given condition? 7 times of 7th term is equal to 11 times of the 11th term. So that's why first of all I find the 7th term. After that 7 times of the 7th term, that is 7 into 7th term, that is 7a plus 42b. Again I am going to find what is I finding equal to 11 times of 11th term. So a11 is equal a plus 10d. So that is a plus 10 into t, 10d. Okay. 11 times of 11th term is equal. So 11 into a plus 10b. That is 11a plus 110d. What is this? Is the value of 11 times of 11th term. This is the 11th term. I multiply the 11th term with 11. So 11 into this one, that is equal to 11a plus 10b. So 110d. But what is the condition? 7a7 is equal 11a11. That is the condition. The 7 times of the 7th term equal to 11 times of the 11th term. So that's why 7 into 7a plus 42d is equal 11 times
Funny
of...
సార్ ఫనీ గారు
Sir,
వీడియో మ్యూట్ అయింది చూడండి ఒకసారి.
ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్ 1 minute ప్లీజ్.
అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి. రైట్,
Okay, clear, sir?
ఇట్స్ ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ ప్రొసీడ్.
Okay, 11 times of 11th term 110D. Okay, so complete it one. What you will get? Say observe. I will see. I will give the answer in the next class. Okay, can we read? 7 times of the 7th term is equal to 11 times of the 11th term. That's why I did the 7th term first of all. After that, I find the 7 times of the 7th term. After that, I find the 11th term and 11 times of the 11th term. Okay, what you will get? Check yourself. I will conclude it in the next class. Yesterday I told and asked to see this problem also. A sum of 700 rupees. A sum of 700 rupees to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of the school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 rupees less than its preceding price, find the value of each of the prize. Okay. Yesterday I gave one what is that idea to you to ask A plus B, that you can also able to find. But after getting the answer, the first prize will be in the last and the last prize will be in the first. No problem. That is also no problem. Now to make it is very easy. And supposing that the first prize is, if the first prize is A, the first prize is A. What is that? Every price is 20 rupees less than its preceding price. That means ముందు దానికన్నా 20 రూపాయలు తక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి A minus 20, A minus 40. Okay, A minus 20, A minus 40, A minus 40. How many prizes that is totally? That 7 cash prizes. Okay, A minus 60, A minus 80, A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A minus 100, A minus 120. These are the prizes we have to bought. What is the total value of the prizes? That is equal to 700 rupees. Okay, so the total cost of the prizes is 700 rupees. Total cost of the prize is 700 rupees. So simply add A plus A minus 20 plus A minus 40 plus A minus 60 plus A minus 80 plus A minus 100 plus A minus 120. This is equal to 700. Okay, by simplifying that, you can be able to get the value of A as 160 rupees. Okay, so 160, 140, 120, 120 minus 1, like that you will get all of the values of the price. Lots are 200 lots are placed 20 locks in bottom row and 19 in the next row, 18 in the next row, like that. In how many rows are 200 locks will be placed? So, simply nothing but ఇలా ఉన్నాయి మొద్దులు. ఇలా ఉన్నాయి. సెకండ్ రో లో ఏం చేశారు? ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో 20 పెట్టేశారు కింద. Second one, in the second manner, this is the figure. You can able to see like that. Okay. In the bottom of that row is 20 locks is there. In the top it is 19. Again it is 18. Now what you have to find? The total number of locks are 200 locks. The total number of locks are 200 locks. So what we have to find is in how many locks are at the top and in how many rows are the locks are kept. Total గా ఉన్నటువంటి ఆ లాక్స్ అన్నిటిని ఆ మొత్తులన్నిటిని ఎన్ని రోస్ లో అరేంజ్ చేస్తారు, తర్వాత ఒక్కొక్క టాప్ లో ఎన్ని ఉన్నది, దట్ వి హావ్ టు ఫైండ్. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇన్ ద బాటమ్ లో A is equal to, I am supposing that is as 20. A is equal to what it is? A1. First row. In the bottom row ఉన్నటువంటి దగ్గర 20 locks ఉన్నాయి. 20 ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. So that is A is equal, A1 is equal to 20. Next A2 is equal to 19. A3 is equal to 18, like that one. How many rows we don't know. How many rows we don't know. But what we know? We know there are 200 locks. That means the total, yes, sum. Okay, that sum is equal to S is equal to, okay, Sn is equal to what we had, that is 200. So that means we had Sn with us, we had the first term, we have the common difference. Now what we have to find? So how many total number of rows they are arranged, that we have to find. How many total number of rows, that we have to find. So that is what I am supposing, that is there are in n rows. Total number of rows n. Okay, so Sn is with me. Sn is equal to 200. Sum of the total locks is 200. And what I have with me? The bottom row, that is 20. That is the first row, that is A is equal to 20. And A is equal to A1. What do we suppose already? And A2 is equal to 19. A2 is equal to 19. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is 19 minus 20. That is equal to minus 1. D is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now what we have to find? We have to find the number of rows. That means we have to find the value of n. We have to find the value of n. We already discussed that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, see this one. We know the value of a, no problem about that one. Also, we know the value of d because the d value is in the bottom 20, 19, 18, like that. So, in every row, one of the log is decreasing itself. So, that's why d is equal to already with us. And you know the a value also with us. You have the Sn with us. What is Sn? Sn is equal to 200 is equal to n by 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into d is also 1. D is also 1. Get this 2 to this side. 400 is equal to n into 22 is 40 plus n minus 1 into 1, n minus 1. Okay. So, what will happen? 400 is equal to 40n plus, otherwise, 40 minus 1 is 39. So, one more, okay, I am right. 39 plus n. So that is 400 is equal 39n plus n square. 39n plus n square. So n square plus 39n minus 400 is equal to 0. You will get a quadratic equation. By solving this, you will get the values, two values. One n is 25, another n is equal to 60. But the value of n is not 25 because in the bottom row itself it is 20. In the bottom row it is 20. So that's why it's not possible to arrange 25 rows. So you have to take it as 60. N is equal to 16. So the number of rows we will arrange the 200 lots is in 16 rows. That's how you have to finish it. Find the first and the last terms of AP. So the first and last terms of AP are 17 and 350. The first and the last terms of AP are 17 and 350. The common difference is 9. What's the given condition? The first and the last terms of AP are 17 and 350, and the common difference is given as 9. What we have to find? How many terms are there? What is their sum? That we have to find. What is the given one is the first and the last term of AP are 17 and 350. First term is 17 and the last term is 350. These with us. Now what you have to find is you have to find the common difference. The common how many terms are there and what is the sum? The total sum we have to find. Yes, sir. Okay. Given that is the given condition is the first and the last term. So A is equal to A1 is equal to 17 given. What is the last term? Common term? AN is given. AN is given. AN is equal A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is with us. AN is equal how much it is? 350. That is 350. Okay. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is how much that is given? So A plus N minus 1 into D. That's given as 350. Now substitute the value of A and also D. Okay, substitute the value of A and also D. A is equal to how much that is? 17 plus N minus 1 into D. What is the value of D? 9 is equal to 350. Okay, so get this 17 to the side. That is 9n minus n. Okay, 9 into n, 9n minus 1 into 9, 9 is equal to 17 to the side, 350 minus 17. Okay, so okay, 9n minus 9 is equal to 350 minus 17 is 333. Again, get into that side. 4n is equal to 333 plus 9. Okay, 4n is equal to 342. 4n is equal to 300, 9n is equal to 342. n is equal to 342 by 9. Okay. Okay. So n is equal to 38. n is equal 38. Okay, what we asked to find? How many terms are there and what is their sum? N is there. Now we have to find the sum also. We have to find the sum. Sn is equal n by 2 into a plus an. That you can apply, or n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That you can apply. Okay, no problem. If any is full, you may apply and you will get the answer here. A given is A1 is given 17, An is given, nth term is given. Now after B value is with us, so we have substituted A value and B value and we can able to find the value of n. So value of n is 38. So by substituting it in that one, we can able to find sum of that total terms. Yesterday in our class, just while converting the terms from one side to other side, I got a small mistake. That is what is the sum of 7 terms of AP. 7 terms of AP. 7 terms of AP is 49 and 17 terms is 289. So what we done is small mistake is while converting from other side to one side to other side, instead of writing 7 by 2 by 7, I write 7 by 7 in one place, and both these 7s are get cancelled. Please check once again that problem. Okay, while converting the numbers from one side to other side, somewhat 2 by 7 is here. While I converted the term to the other side, instead of writing 7 by 2, I oversight it, please write as 7 by 7. Okay, please refer one and check it and correct it. Find the sum of two-digit numbers which were divisible by 6. Which were divisible by 6. What the problem was asking? Find the sum of two-digit numbers which were divisible by 6. Okay, 6 to divisible by 8 at 22 digits numbers. The total sum and that's we have to find. Okay, so the first two-digit number is 10, but it is not the multiple of 6. For the condition, it should be divisible by 6. It should be divisible by 6. That's why, what are the multiples of 6? 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12. That means the next preceding term to this 10, which is divisible by 6, is the first term divisible by 6 is 12. First term is 12. No problem. And what is that? Two-digit numbers are there. So that's why the last two-digit number. Last two-digit number is 99. Check, is 99 will be divisible with 6? 6 6 are 36. So what the remainder? 3 is the remainder. That means 3 less than this 99 is divisible by 6. 3 less than this 99 is divisible by 6. So the last 2-digit number divisible by 6 is, what is that is? 3 less than this one, that is 96. Okay, the first what we asked to find the sum of 2-digit number which were divisible by 6. So the 2-digit number, first 2-digit number is 10, but it's not the multiple of 6. So the first multiple of the 2-digit number is, that is 12. First term is 12, and after that the last term which was divisible by that the 2-digit number which is 99, but it is not the divisible of 6 by 6, and the last 2-digit number divisible by 6 is 96. So that is what we have. We had A with us or A1 with us. First term. Now what we discussed is 12, and AN is with us. AN. What is AN? The last term what we discussed, that is 96. 86. Okay. Now we don't know the value of n. After finding the value of n, we can be able to find the sum of the total term. Okay. So AN is equal A plus n minus 1 into D. And one more thing we will have, that D is also with us, that is 6. Because these are all the multiple of 6. These are all the multiples of 6. Okay. By applying this one, you can able to get the answer. If the sum of first 14 terms of AB, first 14 terms of AB is 1050. Is 1050, and its first term is 10. First term is 10. What we have to find the 20th term? Okay. If the sum, what is that? If the sum of first 14 terms of 80 is 1050, and first term is 10, and find its 20th term. That is given as the sum of first 14 terms. That is S14 is given. S14 is given as 1050. Okay. First term is 10. A is given. A is equal to A1. That is equal to given as how much? That is 10. Okay. Find the 20th term. We have to find the 20th term. For finding any number of terms, what we need A and B. We have to find A and D. If A and D are there, we can able to find any number of terms we require. Okay, S14 is there. So write the principle. Sn is equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the principle. So how many terms this is? 14 terms. So the value of n is substituting as 14. and I'm substituting the value of Sn as 1050 and the value of A is as 10. So clear? I have with me Sn value with me and I have the value of this 10 with me and again I know the value of A. Okay, now I can able to find the value of B. Okay, substitute this Sn is equal to 1050 is equal. Okay, 14 times that is 14 by 2 into 2a plus n. Again n is 14 minus 1 into d. What is that d? We had first term a is with us and also find the 20th term. Okay. Sum of first four terms of it is 100 and first term is there. Sorry. First term is there. First term is 10. So 2 into 10 plus n minus 1. N minus 1. 14 terms that is 14 minus 1 into d. That is 2 1s are 2 7s are. 1050 is equal to 7 into 2 10s are 20 plus 13 into d 13d. Okay, get this 7 to this side. So 1050 by 7 is equal to 20 plus 13d. Okay, 7 1s are 7 15s are 0. Okay, so what it is? 20 plus 3d is equal to 150. Convert this 20 to the side. 3d is equal to 150 minus 20. Okay, so by getting the value of d, you can able to find the remaining problem. Okay. How many terms of AP has to taken in the AP 24, 21, 24, 21, 18, so on must be taken to show that the sum is 78. If the sum of the terms is 78, so how many terms we have to take? That is, Sn is given, Sn is given, and how many terms of AB? So A is given, A1, A is equal to A1 is given, 24, and also D is with us, D is equal A2 minus A1. That is equal 21 minus 24. So D is equal to 3. 3 minus 3. Now what we have to find? How many terms? That means the number of terms we have to find, the value of n. So Sn is equal n by 2 into, okay, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have A with us, the first term with us, A1 or A with us, we have the D value with us, we have also the value of Sn with us. Okay, 78 is equal 10 by 2 into 2A, 2 into 24 plus n minus 1 into D. Again, what is the value of D? Now, minus 3. Okay, take this one to the side. 78 2s are. What is that? 156 is equal to n into 24 2s are 48 Okay. Minus 3 into n, minus 3n. Minus into minus, plus 3 ones are 3. That is equal 156 is equal n into, okay, 48 plus 3, 51 minus 3n. So 156 is equal 51n minus 3n squared. Get this also to this side, or otherwise to this side, 3n squared plus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. Okay, I can get cancelled by 3. Okay, so that is what will happen. N squared plus 17n plus, okay, the 5s are, the 2s are is equal to 0. Okay, so by factorization, you will get the value of n. Find the sum of first 100 even numbers. Find the first term, sum of first 100 even numbers. So that is what is the first even number is 2. Again 4, 6, so on. Okay. How many numbers there are? 100 numbers. That is the last one is 200. Okay. So A is with us. Also D is with us. And D is with us. Otherwise, you can easily convert as 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus dash 200. Otherwise, you write it is also like this one. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on 100. We had a principle. Sum of the first n terms, n natural numbers, n is equal n into n plus 1 by 2. First of n numbers, sum of n numbers, n natural numbers. Okay, sum of n natural numbers, first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers is equal n into n plus 1 by 2. By simply multiplying the answer with 2, you will get that answer. In our previous exam papers, one example problem is also, it was a manufacturing of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year, 700 sets in the seventh year, assuming that the production is increased uniformly by fixed number of every year. Find the production in the first year. This is the example problem. Go through it. It is asked in our previous annual examination paper. One of the example problem which was given in our textbook. If A is equal to, and B is equal to 8, and Sn is equal 19, and Sn is equal to 19. Find n and an. Find n and an. That means sum of, so given one, what is the condition? A is given, D is given, Sn is given. Up to n terms, the sum of n terms is 90. So what is the value of n? Okay. So Sn is equal n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But what is with us? Sn is with us. Okay, Sn is with us. D is with us. So substitute Sn 90 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into what is the value of A? 2 plus n minus 1 into D. What is the value of D? 8. Okay, that is 2 get this side. 92s are 180 is equal to n into 2 to the 4 plus 8 into n, 8n minus 8 into 1, 8. So that is equal to 180 is equal to n into 4 minus 8, that is minus 4. So 8n minus 4. That is equal to 180 is equal to 8n square minus 4n. I'm getting this 180 to this side. Okay, what will happen? 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equal to 0. Okay, after that you have to solve the remaining part. Find the roots of that one and you will find the value of n. Okay, that is in the form of a quadratic equation. Okay, that's enough for AP. Okay, we are going to next one is geometric progression GP. We will get some introduction part and we will conclude this chapter by tomorrow itself, I think. Okay, suppose 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay, these are the terms of a series, a sequence, or 3, 9, 27, 81, so on. So if you observe these series or the sequence, what I can able to find is in every term that the term is gone by multiplying is preceding term by fixing number. That means in a sequence, I multiply this 2 with 2, 2 with 2. So 2 to the 4. And again this 4 with 2, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Like that we can write. Or in this one, 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. That means in a sequence of numbers or a series of numbers, if the next term is obtained by multiplying its previous term with a fixed number, that means it count 1, 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, like that one. Except the first term, in a sequence of numbers, if every term is obtained by multiplying its preceding in the previous term with a fixed number, this kind of arrangement of the sequence of the numbers is called as GP. That is called as GP, geometric progression. You understand? Remember in the AP, A plus B, A plus 2D, like that one. That means the difference between every two side by side terms is constant. difference is constant. But here what we are getting, that if you obtain by multiplying every term with a fixed number, multiplying every number with a fixed number, that is 1, 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, like that one. This arrangement of numbers is called as ZT, which is called as geometric progression. That's also denoted as geometric progression. Okay, what is the definition? In a sequence of numbers, if every term is obtained by multiplying its previous term with a fixed number, then that sequence of numbers is called as a geometric progression, which is denoted as GP. Okay, we will give now the common form of a GP here. Like I suppose A is the first term. Take the first term. Take the first term, and here what is the number I am multiplying with every term is R. Okay, R is a fixed number where I am multiplying each of the term with that number R. So the general form of AB is AR square, AR cube, so on. Understand? So where A is the first term and R, that is a fixed number. That is a fixed number I am multiplying every term of that one with the R. So multiplying A with R, AR. AR with AR square, AR cube, close that. In 10th term, AR power 9. R power 9. In 20th term, what I will say? AR power 90. Okay. In this form, it is the general form of a geometric progression. It's a general form of a geometric progression. You can understand? In a sequence of numbers, if every term is obtained by multiplying its previous term with a fixed number, that is called a geometric progression. Once again, don't confuse 2 to the 4. 4 3s are 12. From 4 to 48, this is not a geometric progression because I am not multiplying each of the term with the same number. I multiply here with 2, here with 3, here with 4. That's not. We have to multiply every term with a fixed number. Okay, it is a common fixed number. Then only it is called a GP. So the general form of GP is AR square, AR cube, so on. This is the general form of GP. This is the general form of GP. Okay. Now, what I will say, that is AN. That is a common term. Now I want to find the common term. To obtain any term, we have to write a principle for the common term. How you will get that one? Suppose in A, first term is there, and write A as 1 minus 1. The power 1 minus 1 is 0. Anything power is 0 is 1. 1 into A is A. Here in the second term, A or into 2 minus 1. Okay, this is A or. So 2 minus 1 is 1. R power 1 is R. So A R power 3 minus 1. That is 2. That is 3 minus 1 is 2. So A R power 4 minus 1. Like that in the 50 term, the number of the term is 50. What I will write? A R power 50 minus 1. A R power 50 minus 1. Suppose it is 20 term. Now number 20. A R power 20 minus 1. Okay. Now, by observing this one, I am getting a general principle, that is nth term of GP. Nth term of GP.
టైం 10 అవుతుంది, మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ఉంటుందిగా, కంక్లూడ్ చేయండి.
ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్. So the general form of GP is AR square, AR cube, so on. The nth term or the general term AN is equal AR power n minus 1. AR power n minus 1. First, this one, but we have to remember one thing. What we have to remember one thing is here A should not be 0, R should not be 0, R should not be 1. ఇందులో A 0 కాకూడదు, R అనేది 0 కాకూడదు, R అనేది 1 కాకూడదు. కాకపోతేనే this form of the numbers will form a GP. 0 అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? A 0 అయింది. 0 అంటే anything 0 0 0 0 all zeros వస్తాయి. అలా కాదు. ఒకవేళ R అనేది 0 అయింది. సో 0 అయిపోతుంది మొత్తం. 1 అయితే ఏమవుతుంది? A into 1 1 A. So R is equal to 1 into A. So 1 square is also 1. 1 cube is also 1. So the general form of GP is AR square, AR cube, so on. The nth term is represented with AR power n minus 1. AR power n minus 1. So this is the general form of GP, but the condition what we have to follow is A should not be 0, R should not be 0, and R should not be 1. Then only that series, that sequence of numbers will form a GP. Okay, thank you very much. We will discuss the problems here about the GP in the last class. That is tomorrow's is I think last class for progressions. So please go through your problems. Okay, and thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So thank you very much, Pani Kumar sir. This is the end of the today's session. See you tomorrow at 9 o'clock by concluding our progressions by tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right.